Any mention?
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 9 from the mail list, Lordship. Item number 9. Lordship, I'm praying for a week's time, Lordship.
9?
9, Lordship.
You're in the hearing list?
Lordship.
Oh, only 4 Paran matters. Who's the other side? MS Shilla.
Lordship, you don't have one.
What's the matter about?
This is about service benefits, Lordship.
Municipal is the main party here, Lordship.
I've informed them.
Already informed.
2 weeks, okay.
Your Lordship,
Much obliged,
this matter is also connected with item number 8, Your Honor.
Number?
Your Lordship.
Lordship, item number 8 is a similar matter, Lordship. So that also can be put.
Colonel Rani,
Yes, Your Lordship.
you are appearing on behalf of?
Petitioner, Your Lordship.
Okay, 2 weeks, yes.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Lordship, similar prayer for item number 14, Lordship. I'm praying for a week's time, Lordship, due to the difficulty of senior advocate, Lordship. We are appearing for respondent number
Where's
428.
Dr. Mozika? Number 14?
Lordship, 14.
You're there?
It's a new matter. I'm already following.
Where's MS Salam?
No, it's not new.
It's a new matter.
No, Lordship. It's a selection. Shillong College. Selection, Lordship.
You have no objection?
No objection.
2 weeks, okay. Yes.
Hello.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item 11, Your Lordship.
Letter to convent. Where's the other side?
I'll inform them, Your Lordship. They are
You
not-
inform them?
I'll inform them.
He's
We'll
here?
pay for one.
For P. Bharatsaji?
No objection.
Yes?
I'm praying for 1 week's time, Your Lordship.
Okay, 1 week, yes.
May it please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 6, Your Lordship.
Number?
6, Your Lordship.
Isn't the hearing list 6?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Doken Rabha.
Your Lordship.
I'm for the petitioner. No objection, Lordship.
How long? 1 week?
Lordship. 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
2 weeks, okay, yes.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 13, Lordship.
13.
Yes, Lordship. Due to personal difficulties, after 1 week, Lordship.
Who's appearing here?
Your Lordship, Mr. H. Kharmi, so I'm appearing on his behalf.
2 weeks, okay.
Highly obliged, Lordship. Yes, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 16.
All the matters are over then. Can't be disposed of. What's the matter about?
Lordship, here our prayer is very limited to furnish the detail to correct the pensionary benefit.
What's this, Dr. Mozika? Can we dispose of? Pension matter? Yes.
It'll come next after 2 weeks.
After 2 weeks.
After 1 week, Your Lordship.
After 1 week. Okay.
1 week have some difficulty. After 2 weeks.
2 weeks. 2 weeks. You want 3 weeks?
No, Lordship. 2 weeks. Much obliged, Lordship.
Please, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 10, Lordship. I'm praying for a week's time, Lordship, this matter. I've already informed the other counsel.
She has objection.
Pardon, Lordship?
You have objection?
Your Lordship, I just found out just now, Your Lordship, my seniors and...
Yes, Mr. Kanta.
No objection. No objection, Your Lordship.
1 week, okay.
Deeply obliged. Lordship, I beg to make similar prayer for item number 12, Lordship.
No objection, Your Lordship.
1 week's time.
Well, where's Mr. Jindal?
We've already informed.
They inform us prior to the morning, Your
Okay,
Lordship.
2 weeks. Take 2 weeks. Might as well. What's the point of mentioning it again?
Deeply obliged.
Much obliged, Lordship. Supplementary list, item number 1.
Yes.
My Lord. My Lord, this misapplication, Your Lordship, is because of the order.
I'm praying that this this matter be taken up along with the main matter, which is fixed on Monday, Lordship. And in the meantime, we may be allowed to file an objection to the...
Lordship, also I am also raising a maintainability of the petition,
Why?
Your Lordship. Lordship, kindly see, Your Lordship, here this is the order passed by the Deputy Commissioner under 144 of CRPC, Your Lordship. It is completely a new course of action, Your Lordship. Another...
There's nothing, it's just for bringing to notice of the court.
Oh,
You
Lordship.
see, what has happened here is,
Lordship,
from what I
allow
understand...
me, please,
Yes,
Lordship,
wait.
kindly
What
allow
one
me.
understands is that it can be taken in this case or it can be taken in affidavit, doesn't matter. But yes, you want to file objection, you file.
Lordship, because what happened, Your Lordship, in the main writ petition, the Deputy Commissioner who passed the order is not a party, Your Lordship.
In the main petition?
In the main writ petition, Your Lordship, the Deputy Commissioner is not a party before Your Lordship. Then, Your Lordship, if Lordship goes by the impugn or by the order passed by the Deputy Commissioner under 144, Your Lordship, those people who lodged the complaint before the Deputy Commissioner are not before Your Lordship. In this
Who are the people who lodge a complaint?
Lordship, kindly have a look at.
Yes, let us submit who the people who lodge a
Yes.
complaint. Yes.
Your Lordship, first of all, Your Lordship, this the order that we have filed in this
Let's see the last
application.
order passed to bring to...
Yeah, we'll go to the last order. We'll just remind this Honorable Court, Your Lordship. Copy of order dated 13 April 2022.
Okay.
I'll just read, Your Lordship. In page 3, para 2. Point number 9.3, which states that the respondent number 6, here being the Chief Himasora, or through a duly authorized person, in the event that the Darbar cannot manage the operation affair, is permitted to charge a customary toll of 200 per vehicle for use of the road. This direction is issued since the contention that the Himasora is maintaining the road and has not yet been proved otherwise. Again, Your Lordship, in the division bench, before the division bench, in para 3 of the application, Your Lordship, the applicant again noted the point number 6 of the order dated 2nd of June 2022, which states that, however, in view of the aforesaid judgment and its prima facie appearing that the Himasora's aimship may have due authority to levy the toll, the interim order imposed herein is not interfered with. Again, in point number 7 of the said order, states that a further issue raised by the appellant is that the quantum of the toll has been increased after the filing of the writ petition. The appellant also suggests that no maintenance work is done for the upkeep of the relevant road. It will be open to the appellants to use a supplementary affidavit to be filed within a week from date before the single bench, incorporating additional grounds if advised. Your Lordship, after these orders, the interim order of this Honorable Court has been honored, and it has been continued till the 10th of May. Till the 10th of May, when the Deputy Commissioner, District Magistrate of East Khasi Hill District, issued Section 144 CRPC against the HIMA. We'll just read the order, Your Lordship. In para 4, it is a blanket ban, Your Lordship. The District Magistrate, East Khasi Hill District, Shillong, had issued an order under Section 144 dated Shillong the 10th May, alleging that there is illegal installation and collection of toll check gate plying along the national highway, state highways, and major district roads of East Khasi Hills, and also for collection of toll by the same of Sora from export truck that passes through Majai Land Customs Station at rupees 400 per truck. Further, had also strongly prohibited the operation of unauthorized collection of toll in check gate, toll gate, and any form of forcible collection along the national highways, state highways, and major district roads of East Khasi Hill District. Again, I will just read along the national highways, state highways, and major district roads in East Khasi Hills. Your Lordship, after we received this order on the 11th of May, immediately the SAM and the Darbar have convened a meeting, and immediately we have sent a letter of representation on the 14th May 2024 to the District Magistrate updating the relevant provision and the relevant orders I'll just read from the para 5, Your Lordship.
It's okay, you don't need to read, fine.
Yes.
Then what happened after now this order?
After that, we are waiting for
Let's
his
see the
reply.
order. Where's the order?
No, page 22.
Order.
We'll just see from the order, from para page 22
Yes.
and next year 3.
Yes. Okay, so.
Then we are waiting for this reply of this this letter of representation, but no reply was given. Only oral communication to the CM that let this the road continue, because there is a local problem there with the Majai village, in which the CM has to interfere. But most of those issues that Majai village are asking are beyond the CM authority. So he has forwarded those issues, those demands of the villagers, of the ladies from the village
No, who are the
Majai to
complainants?
district council.
Who are the complainants that that caused this order to be passed? Who are the
Yes,
complainants?
as per our
So
knowledge,
where is
because
gotten
we
notice
don't
on the
get
sign
even,
that plying of limestone so and so was stopped by inhabitants. What is inhabitants of Majai?
that is the Sardar, through the Sardar and the
So why
secretary.
has he stopped it?
He stopped because he wants there are some local issues
He wants some
dealing
share.
there, like sharing, and also the two stone from each truck, which is not in our authority to ask them to get two stones from each truck.
like who's Sardar
And for
Majai?
maintaining also the road. But for maintaining the road from last year,
No, forget maintaining the road. That's a different aspect. Only we're concerned about is like why this order came about. There was an order of the single bench, division bench, which allowed allowed you to charge a customary toll, with you maintain the road. Since no one has come forward to say the state has helped your case, saying that this road is not maintained by them, and so as per the operation judgment of the Meghalaya commercial trucks judgment, that if it's a customary road maintained by the same, then you're permitted to charge customary tolls, right? So what has happened now? That who are these complainants?
these are the villagers of villagers of
don't know the
Majai
names.
village.
Where have they given a copy of the complaint to you also?
They have not given to us, but they have given to the SDO, and the SDO
No,
have
they
given the
have
copy
copies
to
of
us.
those complaints.
Yes, we have, Your Lordship.
They should annex them.
But Your Lordship, that is not the relevant with the toll.
It is very relevant because the toll was stopped because there's some people who have to bind them also. As well bind the state government. They are bound, no matter DC is not a party or not. Once an order of the
But
court is
those
there,
issue
they
has
are
already
bound
been
to
settled, Your
comply with
Lordship.
it, Mr. Shula. You can't make a submission.
Lordship, kindly see in the
Those
You
local
can't
issue has
abdicate.
already been
You can't
settled.
abdicate any authority and try to protect this order by
Lordship,
saying that.
kindly come to
By
page
saying
18, Your
that, saying that he's not a party there. So what?
The order passed by this court is that he should collect 200. But Lordship, from the order passed by the DC, it appears that he has been collecting 400. Your Lordship.
That doesn't matter. Doesn't matter how he addressed the problem.
Then
How has he addressed the problem? Has he called his people?
as I have
Yes, we
submitted
have
your
called, and we have all
as
the
I have
address.
submitted, Your Lordship,
There's no more issue
those
right now.
people who have
Village
complained
Majai
also
is
direct
now
before Your Lordship.
in tune with the administration and in tune with the Himasora. There's no commission now. They have already allowed. They have already withdrawn their complaint also.
Where is that?
They have all this.
Where is that
we have
in
already
application?
communicated to
Where is
them
that
also.
communication?
The communication regarding the meeting that they have.
Where is that?
It's on the proceeding. We have not. We have sent it to the district council because most of those
Mr. Chinta,
issues.
is that correct?
Most of those issues,
Your
the
Lordship,
district council.
I just want to support the case of the petitioner. When there are two orders of this Honorable High Court, how could a proceeding under 144 be passed by the district magistrate? They could not do anything directly. How could they do this thing indirectly? I'm in full support of the petitioner's case, Your Lordship.
No, not that.
The district administration,
Yes. The
they
thing is
cannot
that
circumvent the order.
the thing is that whatever these orders are operating, and before passing any orders under any provision of law, you should take in consideration the entire aspect. We'll have it on Monday.
And before sealing also, Your Lordship, they didn't even give any opportunity of being heard to us, not even a single communication,
You
even
file-
by
you
phone
file your
also.
affidavit to this.
And Your Lordship,
Miss case 85/2024, WBC number 1.
we would like the interim order to be extended. Your Lordship, I have a judgment, a recent
What interim
judgment.
order extended?
In this case, very relevant, Your Lordship, which is
No,
very,
interim
very
order has
relevant.
already lapsed.
By this Apex Code, yes.
Has the order lapsed?
No, not lapsed. That's why
Then?
I brought this judgment, Your Lordship.
We don't need any judgments.
I'll just
Yes.
read. Allow me to just read, Your Lordship.
It is such a
It was
stage,
reasoned by
not-
the Apex Court that an interim order lawfully passed by a court after hearing all contesting
We
party.
don't have to go there. That's
Yes.
This petition is pending.
Yes,
Yes,
it's
petition is
pending. It's
pending.
continue, Your Lordship, even though it's
Yes,
not lapsed.
take down. No?
Interim order should be
Case
called.
85, 2024, under Proceeding of 114, 2022. This application has been filed questioning the order dated 10 May 2024, filed by the passed by the district magistrate, East Khasil district,
Even the
in a
deputy
proceeding
commissioner also is not
in
a
a
party
proceeding
here,
drawn
Your
up
Lordship.
under section 144 CRPC. Stop. It is noted that the main petition is still pending adjudication, and the subject matter concerns the road over which customary tolls are being charged by the applicant writ petitioner, or by applicant. You know the writ petitioner there, by the applicant, it's the aim of SORA. Stop. Applicant's aim of SORA. Stop. It is also noted that in this very matter that is in the main writ petition, is the same writ petition that's pending now also?
Yes.
This, that went for appeal and came back.
Lordship, yes.
It is,
Yes, it's pending.
yes, no? That is 114, 2022. Interim orders are operating, which have been upheld also by the division bench of this court in WA number 23/2022. Stop. It appears that the district magistrate, though it stated it's not a party in proceedings, has drawn up proceedings without taking into account the pending writ proceeding.
Petition.
Stop. As time has been sought by Mr. Andy Shulai, and on the ground that the main matters come Monday, let's the miss case together on Monday, the 20.
The third.
The third. Yes. Objections may be filed in the meanwhile.
Your Lordship, let the interim be continued, Your
Lordship,
Lordship.
it had already
Extended,
as
we
per
should be
law.
extended.
We will deal with it. Don't worry.
Apply, Your Lordship.
The meetings were chaired by the Additional Deputy Commissioner, Mr. Shulai, when this order came about also, how this order was passed, all those were examined. You remember, keep that in mind. Not being a party is no excuse. I don't want to call him. I don't want to call him here. Yes, state's a party.
Your
Yes.
Lordship, with the village Majai, we have all this settled.
Then you
redress.
file affidavit. How do you notice? That's only
Apply, Your Lord.
Daily list item number 1.
Okay. What's up, Your Lordship?
Yes, Mr. Thapa.
Well, I'm praying for a
No
days time.
agenda.
I'm praying for a days time. I'm waiting for some annexures.
How many times you prayed?
2 occasions earlier, my lord.
Final policy of 1 week allowed to the petitioner to file agenda affidavit. Yes, sir, afterwards also.
Obliged.
Item number 2.
Where's Mr. P.T. Sangma? He's filed the joinder?
Yes, please, Your Lordship. Some more time to file the rejoinder.
How many times you
Lordship.
ask?
This
This is
second
one time only.
This is second time,
Okay,
Lordship.
further 2 weeks granted for joinder affidavit. That's great.
Item number 3.
Lordship, I need time to file my affidavit.
You served 7 to 10.
Lordship, I've written to post office. I've served, but I'm waiting the report from them. These matters, they don't appear, Lordship. In these matters, they don't appear, Lordship.
Who don't appear?
The private respondents.
At least the service will be complete.
Lordship, I'll take that.
Mr. R does not praise for further. 3 weeks time to file affidavit praise allowed. Next paragraph. Mr. M.L. Nampir for the petitioner submits that the status of service on the respondent 7 to 10 yet to be received. He submits that once the same has been obtained, service affidavit will be filed.
Lordship.
Yes.
Item number 4.
Lordship, this is that suspension matter. They're not filing affidavit and they are bringing time and time.
File in the course of the day, Your Lordship.
Course of the day.
Yes, Lordship.
Otherwise, this is
Lordship, kindly see the last order, Lordship. The last order. They have made a verbal submission that there's a review committee which is constituted on 28/3. Lordship, that is beyond 90 days period, Lordship.
No, let them file affidavit. We'll see.
Let it come after a week. Let it come after a week, Lordship.
MSS Shalom Leonard Counsel for the respondent university submits that the affidavit will be filed the 4th of the day. List the matter after 1 week for further orders.
Hearing, supplementary list, item number 2.
But I'm extremely sorry, my lord. I was, due to some miscommunication, I was not available yesterday. I will withdraw this matter, my lord. Liberty to approach the proper forum.
Mr. KCH Gautam submits that on instructions. You may be allowed to withdraw this incentive application with liberty to file a fresh so advice. Accordingly, matter stands for withdrawal with liberty as spread. Yes.
Much obliged.
Daily list, item number 5.
Absolutely.
Praying for some accommodation.
Start. This matter has been recused by other judges, so it should be interesting. What's the matter about?
This is regarding promotion matter.
Promotion from where to where?
It's from grade 2 to grade 1. These are those education matters.
It's actually, there are 2 cases which are connected to each other. In fact, we had a meeting with the officers of the education department. What has been proposed, resolved, is to review the rules. We're only requesting some time, Allots. The other case is pending in court number 4, court number 3.
Court number 3.
Before Justice Dingdor.
Three months' time.
Because of the Model Code of Conduct.
You've seen this?
No, Lordship.
I'll serve them a copy. And Lordship, this matter needs to be tagged along with it, the WPC 365 of 2020.
Doesn't matter. You make your submissions there.
Lordship.
Stop when the matter was taken up. When the matter is taken up, Mr. S.N. JA has produced for the court minutes of a meeting held in the office chamber of the Director of School Education and Meghalaya on the 9th of April 2024 to discuss the matters related to the instant writ petition, that is the WPC number 343 of 2020, and another related writ petition being number WPC being WPC number 365 at 2020. A perusal of the minutes reveals that a review is being taken with regard to the rules as applicable, and in this regard, the learned Mr. S.N. praised that the matter will be posted after 2 months.
Not sure.
Yes. No objection. Let it be.
Not sure, because it's the rules that
yes.
is to be looked at.
Like in view of this development, 8 weeks time is granted to the respondents. Mr. M.L. Nongpur, learned counsel for the petitioner, also has no objection if it will serve to redress the grievances of the petitioner.
Sure.
Yes. According to this matter after 8 weeks.
Highly obliged.
Highly obliged.
Copy of the minutes is taken on board. Yes.
Item 7.
Yes, Mr. Changraiso.
Lordship.
You're
Lordship, I'll be conducting the matter.
Very good, very good. Yes. That's what you're going to
Please,
take.
Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, this matter is regarding the constitution of the new school managing committee of the Mogonwari Government Aided Secondary School, Lordship, in West Garo Hills. Now, my contention in this case, Lordship, is that the general meeting which was conducted by the respondent 4 and 5, Lordship, is bogus, Lordship.
It's bogus?
Bogus, Lordship. I was not informed.
No, who's appearing for state? Why he ran away?
No, kindly excuse me, I'll just get the file.
Oh.
May I proceed, Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, what has happened, Lordship, in the resolution which they have passed, Lordship. I was not present, and my signature they have.
Who are you? Who are you, Mr. Zahar?
Lordship, I am the legal parent, Lordship.
You're the parent?
Parent and guardian of students in that particular school, Lordship.
You're the
And then
parent.
the impugned resolution is at page 24, Lordship. Annexure 2.
1 second. Who's represented with number 4? You are?
Yes.
Very good. All are represented, no?
Yes.
Yes. Lordship, will you kindly come to the resolution, Lordship?
Yes, where's the impugned resolution?
Annexure 2, Lordship, page 24.
Page?
24, Lordship.
Okay. Next one is what?
Annexure 1 is the previous
Previous
planning
committee.
Yes, Lordship.
But before my friend proceeds, my lord, the similar issue before this honourable court, my lord, on the other day, my lord, Hafizur Rahman. There also, my lord, here also they are referring to that same rule, my lord.
What rule? That rule that
But here, not in yours.
No. This is the final.
My lord, in the counter which is filed by the managing committee, my lord, there they have referred to this rule, my lord. This is the
Assam.
Yes, my lord. Assam Education Department rules and orders. The same issue was before this honourable court in the other occasion also, my lord.
With regard to the Constitution Managing Committee in high and higher secondary. So far as LP and
So what relevance are you saying is connected? What
My
is
lord,
the-
only to the extent of applicability of the rules, my lord. There was a query from this honourable court, my lord, last occasion.
No, but then now sponsoring body themselves they will elect the president and secretary, whatever. That is a general procedure. Only that time, because it was brought up that it should be announced by the government. That is why the court said then if that's the case, if they see what is the rule that are applicable. The rules applicable we accept it generally as the practice. That is the sponsoring body only who. Yes. Yes, Mr. Zahar, continue.
Lordship, Annexure 2, Lordship, page 24.
Page
Is the
24.
resolution, Lordship, the bogus resolution meeting. And
I think I-23 or 24.
come to page 26, Lordship. Page 26.
Now who are these members present? They are sponsoring body.
Also.
They are sponsoring body.
And then respondent number 5, Lordship. Then serial number 5,
Page?
Lordship.
Page?
26.
26.
Lordship.
No,
This is the
Hasim Ali.
Hasim Ali, Lordship. This is my the writ petitioner's name, Lordship.
Whose name?
Writ petitioner, Lordship. Writ petitioner number 1, Lordship.
Yes. No, he's Abdul Hashim.
Hashim Ali, Lordship.
What is Hasim? Is same person?
Lordship,
He's the same person.
Lordship, they have made me as a donor, Lordship, here, without my knowledge.
Okay.
And even the signature also they have forged, Lordship. Though I was not present in the meeting, neither I was informed, and they have passed this resolution, Lordship. And see serial number 7, Lordship. The name they have inserted hereby, handwritten, Ashraf Ali, and the signature is Nur Islam Sheikh, Lordship. The signature is different, and the name is different, Lordship, here.
Yeah.
And then similarly with serial number 9, Lordship.
1 second. Yeah, put it to a fan. Don't put it to a fan. Put it to a fan. Put the fan. Leave it. Yeah? Yes.
Similarly with serial number 9, Lordship. Can you see?
Okay, number 7.
Number
Hashim
7.
Ali is number 5.
And the signature is Nur Islam.
Tara, this one?
Lordship.
Who's this? Number 9 is?
Tara Banu something, Lordship. Tara Banu, Lordship. And they have the signature is Abdul Joli something. It's different, Lordship. It's not matching.
No, I cannot understand. Shri, now these names appear out of nowhere. It's not even connected to number 9. It's below Tara Banu. Prop by means what?
Lordship,
Proposed
this
by
serial
Sri
number
Joinal
9. They have
Sheikh
just
and
added
Sheikh
by
Khairul
handwritten,
Islam.
Lordship.
It is proposed.
Handwritten,
Proposed,
Lordship.
okay.
And then after coming to know, Lordship, about this bogus general meeting, several complaints have been lodged by not only the practitioners, Lordship,
Okay,
but even
before you
other
continue,
parents, Lordship.
who's now managing committee is running the school? This managing committee?
Lordship. Is running
Since
the school,
21 been running
Since
the school.
21, Lordship. Now, and it's almost coming to an end this November, Lordship.
Yes.
That's why, Lordship, urgency.
Yes.
And then several complaints have been made, Lordship, after coming to know about this bogus general meeting, Lordship. And then Annexure 4 is the first complaint, Lordship, which is at page 39, Lordship. This is the complaint which was lodged before the SEO, Lordship.
What happened to the complaint?
Lordship, here, Lordship, the SEO, the respondent, the SEO, has not done anything, Lordship, based on this complaint, Lordship. And after this, Lordship, the parents and the petitioner also filed an RTI, Lordship, to get the information how the managing committee was constituted and what rules was followed, Lordship, and the proceedings, Lordship. The RTI is at page. RTI is at Annexure 6, page 33, Lordship.
Yes.
RTI. This.
Yes. Where's the replies?
Yes. Lordship, the reply is at page Annexure 9, Lordship, 41. Lordship. This point number 7, Lordship, they said no such rule is admissible for secondary section.
What rule?
This RTE rule, Lordship. We were asking whether RTE rule was followed, Lordship.
No, now you asked whether meeting was there. Said meeting was there. Meeting proceeding dated so and so submitted. Copy in the committee also enclosed. Materialize the chair meeting record before the concern. No such order required to issue confidential meeting or constitution. No information required. So that means that as per the records, meeting was there. You don't need authority from the state respondent to convene the meeting, and that's it. So according to your RTI reply, the proceedings were there. Newly constituted managing committee proposal was there, and that's it. Then,
and then, Lordship, what this Lordship, they stated in their affidavit that writ petitioner number 2 is not a guardian, Lordship. That is their contention, Lordship.
Challenging your locus.
Lordship, challenging my locus. But then, Lordship, in my rejoinder, I've stated, Lordship, at para
So what have the state respondents stated in the affidavit?
My lord, in para, we have given all explanations.
That's your case.
They're relying to that Assam rules, Lordship.
That's the affidavit. No, whatever it is now, only allegation is that
Only allegation
there
is
was
that
no
the
such
meeting
is a contrived meeting.
Lordship, a bogus
There was no
meeting, Lordship. It
bogus
was not-
meeting, and on resolution, and the list was prepared and given
Lordship.
and approved. That's
Yes.
it.
And approved without the knowledge of the parents and legal. And out of those.
How can you prove that?
Lordship, out of those 15, out of.
Yeah, number 3, Mr. K.P. Bhattacharya.
My lord, respond number 3.
Lordship, if you kindly come to page 7, Lordship, this para 4 of my writ petition, Lordship. Page 7, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, if I may read, Lordship, this.
Page 7.
Lordship, para 4.
Yes.
Lordship, that the petitioner begged to state that on the expiry of the term of the previous Managing Committee of Magulbari GA Secondary School, West Karo Hills District, that is 12 November, so and so, the private respondent number 4, Sri Abdur Roshid, with malified intention without the knowledge of the parents and guardians of the student, illegally conducted the bogus general meeting on 14 November 2021 in his own residence, presided over by him for the constitution of the new Managing Committee of Magulbari Secondary School. It appears that 39 members claim themselves as concerned parents and guardians, and concerned members of the school with their signatures have been shown as attended by the attendance sheet therein. Though out of 39 bogus attendees, 15 attendees have been shown as parents and guardians, including the writ petitioner, by forging their signature. Moreover, 3 parents are also shown as attendees, though they did not attend the same and they are not aware of it. Further, the writ petitioner number 1 has also been shown as elected donor member by forging his signature in the impugned resolution, apart from Sri Safir Rahman and Sri Abdul Mozid Sheikh being the president and the secretary of the new respondent managing committee.
But that's the only allegation.
Lordship, that is the prime allegation, Lordship.
Yes.
And
now they see in the affidavit that you very much present. So whose word is to be believed?
Lordship,
Your word against
Lordship,
their word only.
I have also
You file FIR.
The parents also have also.
See, we can't see one thing, Mr. Zafar, is that now they all disputed facts now. You see.
Lordship.
Now whether this court can discern whether you were there or you were not there, or whether the meeting is bogus, how?
Lordship, there's an affidavit also which was sworn by the parents, Lordship, at Annex 10.
But that's all. You see, it's a. We cannot go into these. What to say? How will the court find out? The.
Lordship,
Where's Mr.
from
Sheikh?
from the
affidavit says that you're
resolution
present?
itself, Lordship, this names they are handwritten, and this serial number 7, number 9, they simply wrote it down by pen, Lordship, and then forged their signatures.
They don't deny that. They don't
Lordship,
deny
they
that
don't deny
affidavit.
that, Lordship.
That they don't
No.
deny that copy.
Lordship.
That's written, handwritten, and the names. We have this. Now, where have you stated about that resolution? That handwritten. Where is that paragraph in the writ petition?
That particular statement is.
Where we said it's handwritten, that it's been fabricated. Where is that?
So that particular point, it's.
Has been taken because you didn't rebut it, then maybe there's something. Did you file a FIR
Lordship,
against
it's-
your forgery?
Lordship, that I'm not aware, Lordship, about that
You
FIR.
didn't file a FIR also against, because if you see they forge your name,
Lordship.
that is a criminal offence.
Lordship, but we have filed this. We have lodged this complaint before this the SEO, Lordship.
No, whatever it
Complaint
is,
saying that
see,
the-
that is okay. That is fine. You could, but the other aspect is that if someone forges your name on the checkbook, what do you do?
Lordship, we lodge an FIR, Lordship.
Same thing.
Lordship, but with regards to this matter, I need some instruction, Lordship.
Did you file FIR or not?
Whether FIR have been lodged, because that FIR
Otherwise,
is
on
not
the facts
annexed
as
here,
they come.
Lordship.
And where have you said the petition that that resolution, this one, no, that you've referred to?
Lordship.
Okay, the resolution that is at page 23, correct? Where's that we've handwritten? At page 26.
Lordship.
Yes. Where have you said that these names are contrived? There's that your name, that your signature has been forged.
Lordship,
Because you only said you're not present.
Not, Lordship, I was not. Lordship, not only me, Lordship, but some other parents were also not there.
Where in the petition you made said that your signature has been forged?
Lordship, come to paragraph 13, Lordship, of the writ petition.
13. No. Okay. Yes. Now, what's the reply to number 13?
Lordship, the reply is that
That
in
where
response to the averment made in para 13 of the writ
Let's
petition.
see first of that private respondent.
Lordship. Respondent 4 and 5, Lordship.
4 and 5, okay.
Lordship.
Para 8.
Page 5, Lordship. Para 9.
In para 9.
Lordship.
That response, sir?
Affidavit was formed by influencing the maker of the affidavit, most of whom are illiterate and have signed the affidavit without knowing the content thereof, and as such, no credence can be given on.
You mean some of these people have withdrawn the names also?
Only two persons, Lordship. After by offering them a post, Lordship, offering them a post, and they have managed to withdraw their
Should have filed
names.
FIR. Very difficult also. You see, very difficult for the court to come to any finding. We understand there may have been some hanky-panky, but unless the same established beyond reasonable doubt. You have not, where we said that's handwritten, that is apparent from that page, that is handwritten, that has been contrived, manipulated.
That particular
fabricated.
amendment is. Para come to page 13, Lordship, para 11 of the writ
of your petition.
Petition, Lordship. Page 13, Lordship.
Where we said?
Second para, Lordship, of this sub-para of para 11. Lordship, this is that complaint which was filed by the writ petitioners and other legal parents, Lordship. The writ petitioner number 1 himself was astonished to find his name in the general meeting, and he was made a member of the present school management committee, even though he was never present, nor he have any knowledge about the general meeting, and that he never signed the fake general meeting. And then the writ petitioner also expressed his shocking revelation and disbelief about the fraudulent constitution of the present school managing committee, even without conducting any general meeting, and that no legal parents or guardians is in the present school managing committee. The writ petitioner, however, strongly condemns and opposed the proposed general meeting and resolution, and requests for dissolution of the same.
Yes.
So this is the complaint, Lordship, which they have filed.
Yes, Mr. Kibi Varasaji.
I will be allowed to refer to para 7 of my affidavit, which is at page 4.
This is by respondent number
This
3.
is affidavit by respondent number 3.
Yes, page.
Page 4, my lord, para 7 onwards. I may be allowed to read para 7 onwards.
Yes.
That in response to the amendments made in para 4, 5 and 6 of the writ petition, the answering deponent, while denying the allegations of the petitioners as false and baseless, states that the proceedings of the meeting dated 14/11/2021 for constitution of the regular school managing committee of Magurmari GA Secondary School was submitted before the DSEO Tura by letter dated 15/11/2021, and the approval of the same was kept pending for a period of 15 days in order to ascertain as to whether there are any complaints regarding the constitution of the same. Subsequently, wide letter dated 20/11/2021, that means after a delay of 15 days, the DSEO Tura received a complaint from the petitioner stating that a fake proceeding was submitted before the DSEO, although it did not mention the date on which such fake meeting, the date of such fake meeting. However, as far as the allegations with regard to any allegation directed against the private respondents, the deponent has no comments, but the allegation that the DSEO has illegally supported.
So after you got a complaint, didn't do anything?
My lord, this is stated, my lord, clearly in para 9, if I am allowed to refer, my lord.
Yes.
That in response to the amendments made in para 8 of the writ petition, the answering deponent respectfully submits that after receipt of complaint dated 20/11/2021, the DSO issued letter wide number so-and-so dated 13/12/2021, wherein the President Secretary, Headmaster Gaubura and the representative of the complainants, my lord will kindly see, were called for meeting and for clarifications with regard to the queries raised in the aforesaid complaint against the proceedings dated 14/11/2021. The meeting was accordingly chaired by the DSEO Tura. So this allegation is absolutely false, my lord. Tura and the members present in the meeting were Sri Abdul Mujid Sheikh, Ashraf Ali, Sri Jol Bahar Ali, complainant. However, so he was the complainant, my lord, Jol Bahar Ali.
Who? There were two complainants.
Yes, my lord.
Jol Bahar, yes. Okay.
Complainant. These are all complainants. Ashraf Ali is the complainant. Jol Bahar Ali is the complainant. Representative of the complainant. They are the complainants. However, Sri Abdul Rashid Gaubura and Sri Abdul Sattar Sheikh, complainant.
Where's the petitioner's name here? He didn't complain that point of time.
My lord, this was one complaint was filed, my lord. One complaint, these people are called.
Okay.
They have not come. That's a different issue. Abdul Sattar Sheikh complaint were not present in spite of notice. During the meeting, the complainant Jol Bahar Ali stated that he did not receive any information regarding the meeting for the SMC, as he is not a parent guardian of any student of the school. He further stated that his signature in the complaint dated 2011, we are referring to this complaint, my lord, 2011-2021 against the constitution of the new SMC of Magurmari GA Secondary School dated 14/11/2021 was a mistake, and that some of the signatures in the said complaint dated 2011-2021 are fabricated. So equal amount of allegations on both sides. Fabricated, and the rest of them were taken by Sri Sofiur Rahman, son of Sattar Ali, and Sri Saiful Islam, son of Boydod Zaman, and some of the villagers by manipulation. Similar statements were given by Sri Ashraf Ali. Subsequently, Sri Jolbar Ali and Sri Ashraf Ali withdrew the complaint letter, complaint wide letter dated 15/12/2021. Now, my lord, this letter is at annexure 2.
Let's see. You filed rejoinder to this?
Lordship, we filed rejoinder.
Withdrawal of complaint, my lord.
Where
which is
is
at
that?
annexure 2.
Annexure 2.
And the typed copy is
Yes.
13. So annexure 2. Withdrawal of complaint dated, which is at page 12. Withdrawal of complaint dated 20/11/2021 pertaining to the reconstitution of the new managing committee of Magurmari Secondary School. With reference to the subject cited above, we, the complainant, wide complaint letter dated 20/11/2021, signed in serial number 1, and the other is not clear, pertaining to the reconstitution of new managing committee of Magurmari Secondary School, beg to state that we do hereby withdraw the above mentioned complaint due to amicable settlement of the matter between us and the managing committee of the school, subject to remaining in force the complaint of other signatories. So these two have withdrawn, my lord.
Lordship, with regards to this.
Further, if I'm allowed to read further, my lord. Further, by letters dated 17/12/2021, Annexure 3 of this affidavit, Shri Al-Haj Abdul Rashid Gaubra and Shri Sofiur Rahman, Headmaster President of the said school, my lord, respectively informed the DSCO Tura that the meeting conducted on 14/11/2021 for formation of regular school management committee of Magurmari GA Secondary School was genuine. My lord, allegation of the petitioner is that meeting is conducted in the house, and they could not attend the meeting dated 15/12/2021 in the office of DSCO Tura due to certain difficulties. That is, my lord, that notice which received for the meeting, my lord, which they were supposed to attend. So they said that we could not attend on that particular day because of some personal difficulties. On the other hand, next page, my lord. On the other hand, Shri Abdul Mojid Sheikh, Secretary, stated that meeting for constitution of the regular managing committee of Magurmari GA Secondary School was held on 14/11/2021 at school premises. So all of that clarifies. He is saying that in the house, at school premises, along with parents, guardians, Gaubura, headmaster, hence after due examination of the issue in hand, the DSCO Tura approved the proposal of the managing committee. So my lord, after all due consultation, approval was given, my lord. Tura approved the proposal of the managing committee, Magurmari GA Secondary School, by order dated 20/12/2021. Hence, there is no illegality whatsoever in approving the regular school managing committee of Magurmari GA Secondary School, constituted as per proceedings held on 14/11/2021 at the school premise. So, my lord will kindly see first the allegation that the DSC has not done anything is absolutely wrong. Secondly, my lord, he said the petitioner stated the meeting was held in the house. That is also, my lord, absolutely wrong. It is clear.
One thing, Mr. Dakhar, where is your name in the among the RTI applicants also? It's not there. There's how many petitioners are there?
Lordship, 2 petitioners are there, Lordship.
That is Abdul
Aziz Sheikh is there, my lord.
And he went for the inquiry also. And Abdul Aziz.
Abdul Aziz and Abdul Hashim.
Now these people, Abdul Aziz, yes, they asked for RTI, and Abdul Aziz Sheikh is there.
Abdul Hashim
and
Sheikh
Abdul
and
Awal. And where are you? Where's the Hakim? You were never there in the proceedings before the school. I mean, you never filed a complaint that means in your name.
Lordship, this complaint was filed by...
Filed by, say. Where's your name?
Other parents also, Lordship.
This is...
Complaint is 29 onwards, my lord, page 29 to 31.
29, this is from 2, this is from... Okay, yes. Speak for him, okay. Abu Bakr, Abdul Sattar, in these schools, any management committee is constituted will bound to meet a complaint.
And,
one way or the other.
And my lord, petitioner number 1 does not feature...
Hakim Ali, you can't sign. You're Hakim Ali.
Hakim Ali's, Lordship.
You're Abdul
My lord,
Hasim.
Abdul Hasim Sheikh and Hakim Ali, are they the same person, my lord?
Yes.
There's no such declaration stating that...
You're saying that you Muhammad... Where's that order? You said that your name is Muhammad Halim. Where's that? You're saying... Where's that paper?
My lord, the cost title...
You're saying your name is Hasim Ali.
Hasim Ali.
Number 5. It's not your name.
My lord, the
petitioner is
first title
Abdul
number...
Hasim Sheikh.
Yes.
Who are you?
Hasim, Lordship, they have mistyped my name, Lordship, probably.
There is any such declaration, my lord?
Because, Lordship, they have clearly made me a donor.
Can you take down?
Lordship,
We appreciate you trying to argue, Mr. Dakhar, but then like some cases are tough. Yes, your senior should have given you a better case to argue. Yes. See, affidavit Abdul Hakim. Okay. Who's Hakim? Who's Hakim Ali? Why didn't you go for, if you complain, why didn't you go for SDSEO when you had an inquiry?
Lordship,
you didn't go.
Lordship, as per my instruction, Lordship, they have gone to their CEO, Lordship. They have passed that
Okay,
complaint
take
out
down,
to Lordship.
take down this writ petition. Oh, sorry, Mr. Sheikh, anything to say?
Lordship, what he is saying, Lordship, that petitioner himself, on the first meeting, he has himself participated in the meeting. There was no issue. Now what he is saying that there is interchange of name.
Lordship, come to page number 42, Lordship.
Affidavit?
Of the writ petition, Lordship.
This is a declaration, this is all inter-person, Lordship, taking them to the court. They don't know all, they put thumb impression, what they have written.
We'll close it if you want, yes.
I left only 5, not even 5 months, I think, Lordship, that I expiring on
Yes, take down.
Lordship, this, kindly see
we're
page
not going to
number
go there
42,
disputed
Lordship.
facts, Mr. Khar. We already said that before. We'll not go into a roving inquiry and ask Mr. Hakim Ali or Hasim Sheikh to stand here before the court and raise their hands who's the correct person. So, it's good anyway. Yes, this writ petition has called into question by this petition the approval of the magur is a magur fish. Mr. Sheikh, magur means magur fish. Magur mari means what?
The moment name of the village is given Magur Mari. Magur is name of the fish, in fact.
So mari where the got all these fish.
Maybe 100 to 100 years back, maybe there were a lot of that Magur fish.
Magur mari. Yes. Top no? That's good. Yeah. Huh? The approval of the managing committee of the Magur Mari Government Aided Secondary School, West Gar Hills District, for the term was from the term 13/11/2021 to 14/11/2024 has been questioned. Stop. The two petitioners who are before this court, both of them are parent representatives. The two petitioners before this court. The case of the two petitioners before this court is that they are the parents of the school children in the said school, and that in the reconstitution, of the said of the managing committee, they were in the constitution they had no role to play, or did they participate as the purported meeting? I know what I just have submissions. Mr. T. Dakhar, learned counsel for the petitioners, submits that the petitioners are the parent representatives of the children starting the school, and that the approval of the managing committee was on a basis of resolution in a meeting that was never held. Stop. Then our council submits that when was the meeting? The meetings of the bogus meeting?
14 November, 2020.
The council submits that the meeting alleged to have been convened on 14/11/2021 for reconstitution of the managing committee is bogus and in fact was never held. And further, that the names of the writ petitioners, both of them, have been entered in the as members of the managing committee without their consent or knowledge. He further submits that in view of the illegal actions of the respondents number 4 and 5, who have since assumed office as President Secretary.
Yes, ma'am.
As President Secretary, the writ petitioners, the writ petitioners along with other concerned villagers had lodged complaints apart from filing RTI applications before the subdivisional as the SEO. So, next paragraph. The Learned Counsel, Mr. Tida, Counsel of the petitioner has drawn attention of this court to where is that? With shaky handwriting. I don't think the court to
Annexure 2, Lordship.
Not the president.
Oh, Gaura. Who's the president then?
Secretary is the, that's one number 5.
Number 5.
Okay. Then Thua Tang now, correct that, not number 4 and 5. Thua no? For since assume office. Yeah. The alleged illegal action of these 1, 4, and 5. Don't forget who has assumed office as President Pam last slide, you know. To the proceedings of the general meeting alleged to have been held on 14/11/2021 and annexure 2 to the writ petition. It is contended that these names appearing at number 7, which is of the writ petitioner, and signature therein it is alleged, it is no? Sorry. To have been held on when? It is contended that the name at number 5, which is stated with petitioner and signature therein I know has been fabricated, as the petitioner was never present in the said meeting, nor the signature appended to the said proceedings is stopped. Similarly, he submits the same is also true of respondent number 7, of the serial number 7, whose name has been entered by handwriting. In this backdrop, it is argued by the Learned Counsel that the meeting being contrived and names being inserted without the knowledge of petitioners, the meeting is vitiated, and as such, the resolution derived therefrom, arrived thereon, should not have been approved by the state respondents. Stop. I therefore praise that the managing committee be declared illegal and directions be issued for fresh reconstitution. Yes. Next paragraph. Mr. Kibi Prasad, in reply to the submissions, submits that in reply to submissions has taken this court to the affidavit file on behalf of the respondent's number.
Respondent number 3.
Respondent number 3.
DSU.
To show that on the complaints of the village persons, which includes the writ petitioners, inquiry was conducted by the SDO on.
My lord, inquiry was conducted on 15/11, my lord.
Next day.
The presidency.
Where's the
No, my lord, there must be a mistake.
Then I can't rely on the submission. I have to look.
Issued a letter. Go to the letter, my lord.
Yes, sir. Somni.
My lord, the meeting was fixed on 15/12, my lord. 15/12 after a month, my lord.
That's what he said. 11. I thought, yeah. Sorry, step up. Inquiry, a notice was issued to the President, Secretary, President, Secretary, Headmaster, Gaon Bura, and representative of complainants were called for a meeting for clarification with regard to the queries raised in the complaint, questioning the proceedings dated 14/11/2021. Stop. He further submits that in the meeting was chaired by the DSEO Tura, the complainants, namely Ashraf Ali, he's petition number 2.
My lord, they are not petitioners.
He's not a petitioner, Lord, sir.
Who are these people? Who are the complainants? Who is the Abdul Aziz there?
Lordship, kindly see Annexer 7, Lordship, page 35 of the writ petition.
Yes.
Lordship, this para 2, Lordship.
See page 34. 34.
Lordship.
You see
Lordship.
34.
Abdul
Aziz.
Lordship. He's a writ petitioner number 2, Lordship.
Who?
This Abdul Aziz Sheikh.
Abdul Aziz is a writ petitioner?
Lordship.
Then he was there in the meeting also.
He was there.
Okay, where's the notice?
Notice it at Annexure 1, my lord. Annexure 1, page 11.
Some of the complainants were present. And in fact, in the set hearing, it was in said meeting counter allegations were made that the signature of some of the complainants had been taken from the villagers by manipulation. Further, complaint by manipulation. So, it's further submitted that some complaints by one Shri Jolbhar Ali and Shri Ashraf Ali were withdrawn, and that letters from the Kaumbura and the
headmaster
and the headmaster was that the meeting was genuine and that the same was held on 14/11/2021 at the school premises along with the parents, guardians, Kaumbura headmaster. He therefore submits that on the complaints and the due inquiry having been gone into and no illegality or irregularity being found, the approval was granted. He therefore submits that the writ petition being without any merit is liable to be dismissed. Yes, Mr. S.A. Sheikh. Mr. S.A. Sheikh, counsel for yes.
One small aspect, sorry to interject, my lord. My lord, the fact that they are the parents and guardians, there is nothing on record to show, my lord.
Yes,
no school admit card, nothing.
Yes. In closing submissions, including to dismiss. Before closing submissions, the learned GE has also submitted that the identity of the writ petitioners also is in doubt, as the names in the complaint in the impugned resolution and of the writ petitioner himself do not seem to match. Another submission has been advanced that it has not been verified as to whether the writ petitioners are at all parents' representatives in the said sponsoring body. Mr. S.C. Sheikh, Learned Counsel for Respond 4 and 5 has supported submissions of the Learned GA and submits that the meeting was proper and above board, and that the managing committee had been duly constituted and approved as per law. So, next paragraph. I've heard the learned counsel for the petitioner. Stop. It is noted at the outset that the issues raised herein are issues of disputed facts, as the main ground setup is with regard to the participation, with regard to the meeting in which the writ petitioners allege they were not part of, which, however, has been controverted by the respondents by indicating that the signature of the writ petitioner appears in the attendance sheet. Stop. Further, it is further noted that on the basis of whatever complaint had been filed before the respondent number 3, the same had been attended to, And on the basis of the said inquiry, it was found that the meeting dated 14/11/2021 had indeed happened. Stop. Stop. Another point that cannot be ignored is that apart from the allegations made in the writ petition and on the basis of the complaint filed before the respondent number 3, the writ petitioner, if at all aggrieved with the actions of respondent 4 and 5, especially with the accusation of forgery of his name or their names, should have instituted criminal proceedings, which however was not done. Stop. Next paragraph. In his view, in view of the facts and circumstances of the case, wherein it is impossible for a court sitting jurisdiction to discern disputed facts as put forward, and moreover, as the term of the present managing committee is to expire in November 2024, no case was made out for any interference at this stage. Stop. It is however provided that in such reconstitution of managing committees, due process should be adopted by the outgoing managing committee in ensuring proper notice and participation of all stakeholders in the sponsoring body, so that the students may not suffer due to such infighting and conflicts. Yes, with the above according, the petition stands closed and disposed of. Yes.
Item 15.
Great. You further joined her?
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I pray for more time, Your Lordship, for hearing. Since the conducting counsel, Shri H.R. Nath, is on this post, Your Lordship, I pray for a few weeks' time for hearing. I appears that in the next day the matter may be fixed up for hearing.
Yes, Ms. Devnan, you are opening for whom?
I am for the union, but I am not having any rule.
B. Malingyang. Who's B. Malingyang? For who's R1? R1 is?
Union, Your Lordship.
Union. Oh, union. Union, no role. Oh, you are B. Malingyang. Okay. Oh, you are Mr. Devnan Junior. Okay, 2, 7, 9, and 10.
2, 7,
3 to 5. 13. When you wanted?
After 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
2 weeks?
1 week, Your Lordship.
1 week, okay.
Your Lordship, there's some personal difficulties, Your Lordship.
You prepare the case. How long you practice?
Roughly 4 years, Your Lordship.
4 years, then you're more than competent to argue. You try? Yes, I don't say. Is that 2 more? Yes, accommodation is sought on behalf of the arguing counsel, Mr. H.R. Nath, to state be indisposed. Stop this matter to 1 week case.
And Your Lordship.